Hello guys, how are you? Hi guys, yes, so I just received 2 packages guys from Amazon. I bought some things, yes, and they came and delivered this morning. So let's see. Hi. Hi. Very good, Lakota and Haley. Okay guys, so let's see what are the things they brought us, because I bought few things. No darling, Lakota, no, don't touch. Hi. Hi. Okay, so let's see here. Hello guys, so these are the things that I bought guys, a few things from Amazon. So I bought these brand guys, bra low casserole with glass lid and silicone mitts. Yes, so ito yun guys, casserole. So this is the one, so it's like this. Yes, so this is the cover or the lid. Yes guys, oh, it's so nice, really so nice. I love it. And let's see, it's like wow. And I love that it comes with this meat silicone. Yeah, so it's really so nice guys. I love it. I love the quality. It's not that heavy like the one that I am using, but it's okay. Yes guys, so this one is for induction and other kind of stove. So save energy system induction. So this is the one guys. It is 32 centimeter, and you can also put to the dishwasher. Yes, so these are the types of cooktops that you can, or cooker that you can use it. So this one, yes, with I don't know how they call this one, with the plate like gas, and this one is, yeah, vitroceramica they call it, and this one also. So the one that I am using is this one. Yes, it is really so nice guys. I am so happy and so excited to use this one. And the other one guys are these ones. So I bought a set of these frying pans. Yes, I expected they are bigger, but they are smaller actually. So these are the ones guys. So this is the smallest. Yes, so there are 3 sizes, medium and the big one. Yeah, so yes guys, I'm so happy with this one, but I expected bigger. Yes, but it's okay, I can use them. So ito yun siya guys, and the brand is Tefal. Hello guys, so we are going to make pasta salad guys. Okay, so I'm going to boil this for 3 minutes. As it says here that we have to boil 3 minutes only. Okay guys? Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for our pasta salad. So the pasta is boiled already and it's ready to mix. Okay guys, so we need also 4 eggs, cherry tomatoes, a can of sweet corn, and also some olives, salt, and then oil guys. Okay guys, so let's cut the cherry tomatoes into half, and then the eggs, and then add the olives, and then just season guys with salt and a little bit of pepper if you want, but because the kids will eat this one as well, so I didn't add black pepper. And of course, don't forget to drizzle olive oil also, guys. Once everything is in the bowl, just mix it, and you can also add, guys, another kind of vegetables such as cucumbers and red bell pepper or capsicum. Yes, it is really good as well. Kids love it, guys, and Lakota is picking the sweet corn as it's one of her favorite, guys. Ayun, kumain na siya ng corn. Kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat, everyone.
Bon profit.
Bon profit. Is it good, Daddy? So we finished everything, guys. Look at that.